Okay, so I don't know if this is too bright, but hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to be giving you child a candle haul. So if you're new to my channel, you still subscribe. If you're not new, thank you for coming back. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I don't know what that was, but as you can see, I got a new tapestry. Okay, but you know, everything's just been breaking on Rihanna. Like, everything has just been breaking, child. So guess what? Those lights, I literally took those lights down to put this tapestry up, and right when I put them back up, they don't want to turn on. So these lights are useless now. I just don't want to take them down. Okay, so that sucks. I also ordered some more lights off of Amazon. They cost $65, and they do not want to connect to my phone. They're supposed to connect to my phone via Bluetooth so I can control them. They work perfectly fine, but they don't want to connect to my phone. So those lights are too defective. Okay, so I'm kind of frustrated because stuff that I ordered is not working, or it's not coming like they said it was going to come. Amazon, get it together. I know we in quarantine, everybody's ordering, but come on now, you want good customer service, get it together. But anyways, y'all, I ordered some candles from my favorite candle place. I did not know they sold candles online. Like, I would literally go to tjmaxx to buy these candles, but now that I know that they have an online website, I don't have to go to tjmaxx anymore. And they have afterpay, so you don't have to pay it all at once. You can pay it in 4 separate payments. Do you know how amazing that is? Like, do you know how amazing that is? So I ordered 7 candles. I ordered this back when tjmaxx was open, but I heard it's mine. Y'all disregard that. Oh, can I zoom in some? Okay, and I heard that. Wait, should I scoot back some? Or am I too far back? I don't know. But I heard that tjmaxx opening back up, and we rode past there yesterday, and y'all, it was line for days. Like, all the people was really lining up to get inside tjmaxx. Like, okay, it was that lights. But y'all, like, they was really lining up to get in tjmaxx. Like, I love tjmaxx, but I'm mostly going there for the candles, and they sell a specific type of candle that I love, and they sell them for discounted, obviously, but really it's not really that discount compared to the actual website. It's like $1 difference or $2 difference, you know. So DW Home are my favorite candles. Like, y'all, I love DW Home candles. Like, they smell so good. They're super cheap and they last a long time. Okay, I ordered a couple, and you know, it kind of sucks when you're ordering candles online because you can't really smell them. And I am not going into tjmaxx to smell no candles, child, because what if I sniff the coronavirus in my nose, child? I'ma just read a description of what all the fragrances they have in the candle and just test my luck and see if it smells good when it arrives. Okay, so I ordered these like a while back, like in end of March, early April, and they took a while to process, but you know, that's expected because you know what's going on right now. I really hate this shadow on my nose. It looks like I didn't blend in my makeup, but anyways, that's what's expected. So it took a long time, but they shipped my stuff in 2 boxes because you can't ship all them candles in 1 box, child. They're fragile. So I don't know which one I'm gonna show you first. Well, I'm gonna show you this one first because this one was on clearance. This is called Jasmine Iris, and it's like a really pretty frosted bottle. It's a pretty frosted, you know, jar, and it has a pretty rose gold top. And this was clearance, and It doesn't smell bad. It smells very floral, but I don't know why. It reminds me of my hair grease. Like when I was little, the hair grease my mom would put in my hair, child, Blue Magic. It kind of smells like Blue Magic a little bit, but I ain't worrying because Blue Magic didn't stink. Okay, so oh, it's just very elegant, very floral, like jasmine, iris. Aren't those two flowers, child? I don't know. Yeah, them two flowers, ain't it? This candle will burn for 56 hours. So this lasts for 56 hours. I think this is the large. Yeah, this is the large jar. I love the large jar because they last a long time. So, well, what's this? Yeah, this was large. Okay, so, and I did burn this down some. So yeah, but they burn really slow. Like they burn really slow, so that's a good thing. Okay, and the next one that I love this one so much. Like Peony smells good in general. Like when I was little, I used to hate floral scents because they just smelled like outside. Like they just did not appease me at all. So I was kind of skeptical about getting a lot of but a lot of like floral scents because, you know, I wanted to get a lot of them because it's spring, you know. I wanted something to remind me of spring because we couldn't go outside. So I was like, why not bring the spring inside, child? So I bought Peony petals, and I just love the jar. It's like a pretty gradient, and it's in white lettering, and y'all, this smells so good. Like I was burning this today as I was cleaning my room. Oh my god, y'all, this smells so, like if you ever go on DW Home, please buy this one. Like you will not regret it. I did burn it. It's still a lot left, but it smells so good. It says a bouquet of fresh peonies intertwined with pear, apricot, and pink poppy. So it has some fruit in there too. I did not know that. This is my first time reading it. But yeah, it has some fruit in there. And it's about time for me to go back on there and order some more candles, child. Like I have a whole candle drawer, and I have Christmas candles, I have fall candles, I have winter candles, I have spring candles. I love coffee candles. So whenever I see a coffee candle, I'm gonna buy it. Like my favorite coffee candle is Paris Cafe from Bath and Body Works, y'all. It literally smells like a coffee shop. Like it smells so good. So yeah, this one, pick up Peony petals if you ever go in DW Home, or if you happen to be one of the people waiting in line to go in Tjmaxx and they have it, get it. Don't even sniff it because you don't want to take the chance. Next we have fresh cut gardenia. Now I feel like I smelled gardenia before, and I don't really know the smell. Like I know I smelled it before, but it's something I couldn't remember. I literally just ordered this one because it was a popular scent. So if it was a popular scent, that means it must smell good, right? Because you know you can't smell nothing on the website. So I ordered fresh cut gardenia. It's a pretty black top, you know, it's like black and white. And yeah, so this is also floral, and it literally just smells like flowers, you know, like that regular flower scent. Like that's what it smells like. It smells really good actually. Like it literally smells like when you like smell any flower at the store. That's literally what this smells like. Fresh. That's why it's called fresh cut, girl. Okay, so yes, I love it. I love it. Yeah, it's very, very, very potent. A very potent floral smell. So you can't go wrong with that. So I feel like this will be like, this will like scent up the whole house. Like, so if you want your whole house to smell like fresh cut gardenia, get this, girl. So are they shooting? Let me hurry up this video, child. Next we got yellow yuzu, and this smells like lemons, girl. So it's a pretty yellow It's a pretty yellow vase, you know. If you had like a yellow room, like yellow accents, this candle would go perfect in there. And okay, why is it smelling different? When I first smelled this, it smelled like lemons. Now it smells like a whole bunch of citrus, like, but it's mostly lemon that's overpowering it. So it is richly scented, but I'm trying to smell it for you so you don't have to smell it, you know, so it can make you easier when you're purchasing on the website. Like, I'm trying to give you a good description, so bear with me. What does it smell like? I know what it smells like. It smells like that cleaner, you know, that citrus. Oh, it smells like them lemon Lysol wipes that you buy from the store. Like, that's what it smells like. And I also bought this on clearance, so it smells like a lemon, a citrus cleaning solution. Ooh, I can't talk, girl. It smells like a lemon or a citrus cleaning solution product, like something that's cleaning solution. That's what this smells like. And y'all, cleaning solution that's scented in citrus smell good. So that's literally what it smells like, a citrus cleaning solution. Like, I hate to explain it that way, but that's what it smells like. So yellow yuzu. I mean, it don't smell bad. It just smells like a citrus cleaning solution, like a citrus detergent, dish detergent, you know, wipes. That's what it smells like. So if you love that, girl, get this. So next on the docket, we have, let me stop. We have lava. Now I saw, gosh, what's her name? Is it Golden Goddess, Bronze Goddess? But she has a YouTube channel, but I saw her TikTok. I'm putting her name up here. And I hope I put it up here because when I'm editing, when I come from work, I do not feel like putting titles in my videos. So the girl's name is, child, let me see. I'm pretty sure she uploaded something. There she is. Where I get goddess from? Her name is Glow Princess, okay? Glow Princess. I saw her TikTok, and her TikTok literally had this candle in it. And then the next candle is called Lava. So y'all, this candle smells so good. Like, I'm happy I saw her TikTok because like it smells so good. It smells very tropical, very like tropical. Like, that's literally what it smells like, very tropical. And it has, ooh, that's a pretty candle. Oh yeah, I might have to order some candles tonight, y'all. I ain't playing. Okay, anyways, we got, oh, lava. Okay, here we go. It's $12. That's the lowest price, I think. It's island mango and tropical passion fruit infused with effervescent orange, sun blushed papaya, and sweet berry. So it's very fruity, and it smells so good, y'all. Like, oh my god, it smells really good. Now this is a summer candle that you have to get. Oh my god, y'all, it smells so good. Like, the mango is really what's the strongest, and if you're allergic to mangoes, I'm sorry, that must suck. But okay, y'all, that smells so good, y'all. Okay, next, I'm trying to hurry this up because I be talking too much. But anyways, next, I gotta film another video after check. See how much I talk. Anyways, next we have, these are my favorite candles because I love the way they look. This is white magnolia and apple, and it has like a little wooden cap, and it's like a pretty glass. And then when you light the candle in these, like when you light it, it looks so pretty, like flickering through this kind of glass, you know. But this is a pretty pink one. It's kind of like a darkish pink at the top, and it goes down to light. But this is white magnolia and apple. Oh wow, it smells so good. Oh my god. But these candles like sell out fast on the website. They have a lot of them at tjmaxx, but I ain't gonna go there. Y'all, this smells so good. It smells very light. Ooh, like, ooh, magnolia. It says pink azalea blossom, leafy greens, and sweet apple blossoms with fresh lily above soft amber and white woods. Yeah, that smells good, y'all. It smells like, you can smell the wood, you can smell the amber, you can really smell the magnolia, and you can smell apple. Like, it literally smells like an apple. Like, you know, like the apple candy, it smells like that mixed with flowers. So if you like apples, buy this candle. Apple a day keeps the doctor away. And that's on pure. Okay, now this last candle that I bought, I've bought this candle before and I was running out. I think I gave it to my mom, the rest of it, because she loved the smell too. It really smells kind of manly, and it's called, right when it opened, it hit me. It's called Sandalwood Myrrh. Now y'all, you have to get this candle. Like right when you go on DW Home, put this in your cart instantly. Put it in there. You won't regret it. Listen to what I'm telling you. Listen. Put this in. I'm looking right at you. Put this in your cart right when you go on the website. Do it. Anyways, child. Oh, it smells so good. This is Sandalwood Myrrh, y'all. It smells very like manly, like, I don't know how to explain it, but it just smells so good. It smells kind of like cologne mixed with like a wooden scent. Like, oh my gosh, y'all, this is like literally the best smelling candle ever. Like, it smells so good. I wanted a big bottle, but they were sold out of those, so this is what I had to get. I think this is the small, but it burns for 33 hours, which is good. I don't want to burn it yet, because if I burn this, I want to leave it burning all day, child, and it'll been gone probably, even though it's 24 hours a day. But still, y'all, get this candle. Like, I ain't even got to tell you how to smell. Like, I ain't even got to read no description, y'all. Just put this in your cart, period. Do it and you won't regret it. Sandalwood Myrrh. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Those are my candle hauls. I'm seeing they got some pretty candles. I might order some now and use Afterpay, because you know, Afterpay can be kind of bad, because you know Fenty Beauty has Apple Pay, Ulta has Apple Pay, Urban Outfitters has Apple Pay, American Eagle has Afterpay, Forever 21 has Afterpay. So you can get kind of carried away with Apple Pay. Okay, make sure you pay them payments on time, because I don't know what's going to happen if you don't, because I always pay mine on time, child. But I only have one more payment, and it's for this next haul that I'm going to show you. If you're a nail person, please subscribe to my channel, y'all. I know I talk a lot, but I mean, you still watching, so you must like it. I hope you enjoyed this candle haul. I love candles. I think I want to open my own candle business one day, y'all. Stay tuned for that. I'm going to be opening a stationery shop soon. I gotta get everything situated. I gotta draw everything. I think I'm going to make some paints and stuff, so yeah, stay tuned for that. But I hope you enjoyed this candle haul. I will be doing more if I order some more. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram, y'all. My Instagram been going down, 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 down. Who sang that song, child? You know, even if the sky is falling down, down. You know that song, right? Yeah, whatever. That's what my Instagram been doing, child. So please follow. Like, a simple follow, it won't hurt nobody. You can follow my TikTok. All my social medias are Brianna LaFay. Okay, so yes, I hope you enjoyed this candle haul, and yes, I will see you in my next video.